comfort here again. We are back. On today's episode, we are going to be playing a game. Explain.
Okay, so this is what the game is about. We're going to write different makeup steps in a paper, right? And then she's just going to pick at random. She'll just pick anyone. So whatever she picks is what she's going to do on my face. If she picks lipstick first, I'm she might do lipstick first.
It's not going to be a disaster.
Amen.
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 Watch
Amen.
out. Let's just decide on how we are going to do this step by step. Because I don't want a disaster. Okay, hold on. Okay, we've got to a conclusion. Skin walk before the game.
Exactly. Exactly.
So thank you.
Before we finish the whole makeup now, and I'm gonna rock primer.
Disaster. Okay. So I had to go and change my wig. The other week I was feeling like a man-woman. I don't know if you understand. I changed it.
A male version of a woman.
Yeah, we are back. We did the skin walk, everything. So we are back with our game. Let's go.
So I wrote everything. She's going to pick anyone she picks is what she's going to do on my face moving forward, right? So see, everybody who can see this, there's nothing. So pick one.
Wish me good luck.
Okay, let's see. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. Can you guys see? Okay, bring it out. So we're done with the eyeliner. The next one. Wait though. Mix. Let's see. Setting spray. Setting spray, oh. I don't know if you guys can see, but she picked setting spray. Let's set the makeup. I'm going to take this paper out now.
Setting spray is okay. It's okay. Help me now. You don't even want to help me. Hey.
No cheating! We're not cheating. Okay, so she's picking again.
Let me just pick brows. I'm very happy.
Finishing spray!
Ow! The game is not. It's not fair. I don't like this game. I don't like it.
Makeup are finished already. We're full finishing spray. Highlights. At this point, I'm supposed to be just telling people, like, click, subscribe, everything. Highlights.
How we do it?
Okay, so she's picking the next one. We're done with the highlights.
Anything pick like that.
Eyeshadow! She's happy! Okay, so we're done with the, what did we just do?
The eyeshadow.
Now she's going to pick another one. Ah! Ojoro! It's Ojoro! She saw it! Ah!
Hey. Okay, I will not look.
Oh yeah, pick it. It's still the same thing, she picked mascara. But this time around she did not look.
Okay,
Mascara.
okay.
Okay, so we're done with the mascara. She's going to pick the next one. Okay, let's see. Lashes.
Yes, that
Lashes.
that's okay.
She picked lashes.
Okay, let's go. Pick your choice.
Let's see. Yeah.
This
So
one.
much. Yeah.
This one.
This one. So on to the next one. Don't look at my cup. Epic. Lip liner. Lip.
Brown. I want to do the brown.
This brown is going to be the last. The brown is not the last.
I just want to do the brown.
So we're done with the lip liner and we just have 2 papers left here. Lipstick.
Ah,
I
thank God.
said it, the brown is going to be the last. Okay, so we're done with the lipstick. We'll do it off camera.
Yes.
The last one.
No need. Lipstick. Eyeshadow.
Hey, eyeshadow now. That's the last one. I haven't done eyeshadow. Oh, you
It's
forgot
supposed to be brows.
eyebrows.
Sorry.
Eyebrows.
That's last
That's
one.
the last one.
This is the finished look. After the whole struggle, the storm is over.
Oof.
Do you like your makeup?
I love it. It's so fun. And it even with us to discover more things.
Yes, 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 yes. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.